Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing to you how does the stock market and the forex market both react to negative news. Now in the previous video I've shown to you guys that how these two markets react to positive news. Now in this video it is the same but a slight difference that both of them would react to negative news if the stock market goes in negative, if negative news arises in our environment, in our homeland, in the currency market or in the crude oil or in the oil market or in the gold market, then it may be international market or your national news, international news, sorry, or national news. Both of them will affect the stock market in a negative way. Some of them, if like I say, crude oil and gold, they will affect the stock market up to some of the companies. But if it's the currency, then the stock market would get affected, especially the forex market, because forex market is all about currency trading. So currency trading will be much more affected by the currency news. And if it's related to the companies and the stocks, then the stock market would get affected by it much more in a massive way than the other does. So let's say if the news is negative and there are negative news arising in the stock market or in the forex market, so both of them will affect the stock market and the forex market, because what usually happens that when these news arises, the investors that are investing in these markets, they lose their confidence of they don't trust that company for further investing in that stock, because they knew that if they invest in this company, it would give them losses and they would lose their money, their capital in this stock, because that is not a reliable stock or currency to give them returns, and they can lose their money in that stock. So because of this reason, they step aside from that stock, from either that stock or or that currency that they knew that it would give them, uh, they would got hit by it by investing in this market. And especially in the times when, especially in those times when the when the condition is not good and they can lose their money. So due to these type of news, due to these type of condition that they can lose their money, and so they step aside from the stock market or the forex market for that reason. Other than that, there are no such reasons for. It's all about the investors confidence, how if they are confident of investing in a certain company or currency, they uh, they will invest in that company because they knew that it would give them profit and they cannot lose their money. They could not lose their money by investing their capital in this one particular stock. So because of that, they cannot they do not lose money, and they will further invest if they got confident about it, they got positive news from it, they got positive results, they got massive massive amount of profits. So they would further invest by, if they if they are satisfied with it from a positive way. So whenever you are investing, try to investigate what is happening in the outside world. What are the news that would affect the stock market? What are the news that would affect this condition, this part of the stock or this currency? What would happen to if I invest in this particular stock? So you will have to keep an eye out on all every type of news out there, because what you don't know will cost you. So you will have to keep an ear out on all of the news out there. So in order to be um, in order to know that what can happen in the stock market, so you will have to be aware of conditions can that can hamper or prevent the smooth running of the stock market. So in order to do that, what you can do is, when you hear about some negative news about the stock market, sorry, what you can do is try to acquire knowledge about why this has happened and what caused it to happen. So if you only know that, and until when will it continue, so you can wait for that, and after that thing happened, after some positive news, you can invest in the stock market. Just like the pandemic, I would say, if when the stock market got hit, where is it, at this area, yes, you can see that this happened due to the this drop happened due to the pandemic, the COVID-19. After that, the stock market got back up on its feet, and now it's trading a bit high. But this is the our airline, so it's banned on the Europe and all of the those countries. So it didn't affect that much. Let me show you some other countries, some other um, stocks as well. So where is it? Karachi. Let me show you one more stock that showed massive gains. TRG. Let me TRGP. Here it is. So let me show you this one. Now you can see that, where is it? Right here. It wasn't trading that much well, but you can see that after the pandemic happened, it went straight up and is now trading above the all-time high. It has reached now its all-time high, so it is trading at the highest high. So you can see that this happened directly after the pandemic hit the COVID-19 hit the overall our external environment. Lockdowns were imposed, and all of those things were imposed. So after some time, the traders, the investors got a bit confident about investing in the stock market, because they knew if we invest now, we will have profits later. So they started to invest in the stock market, and now it gave them much more returns. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.